TasteSkill is an anti-slop fronting framework for AI agents that upgrades AI-built interfaces by providing stronger layout, typography, motion, and spacing than boilerplate-looking UIs. It also includes image generation skills that create reference boards for web, mobile, and brand kits. After generating images, you can hand them to Codex, Cursor, or Claude Code for implementation. The repository offers several skills, each with a unique purpose. For code skills, the most common one is the TasteSkill, now in an experimental v2 that reads the brief, infers the design language, and adjusts 3 dials, variance, motion, and density, to match the brief. If you need the original behavior, install TasteSkill 1 instead. A stricter variant for GPT or Codex is GTast, which enforces higher layout variance and stronger GSAP animation direction. The ImageCode skill follows an ImageFirst workflow, generate site references, analyze them, then implement a frontend. The redesign skill audits an existing project's UI, then fixes layout, spacing, hierarchy, and styling. Soft skill delivers a polished, calm visual design with premium fonts and spring motion. Minimalist targets editorial products with a restrained palette and crisp structure. Brutalist provides an industrial, mechanical look with sharp contrast and experimental layout. Stitch Designist outputs Google Stitch compatible rules, including an optional design MD export format. The ImageCinly skills include ImageGen front-end web for website comps such as hero sections and multi-section layouts with strong typography and anti-slop art direction. ImageGen front-end mobile for mobile screens and flows on iOS, Android, and cross-platform mockups. And BrandKit for BrandKit boards that show logo directions, palettes, type, and identity applications across categories. To get started, install a skill with the npx skills command. For example, run npx skills at https GitHub Leonxlnx TasteSkill to install all skills. To install a single skill, use its install name. For the default TasteFrontend skill, the install name is TasteFrontend. You can also copy any skill MD file into your project or paste it into ChatGPT or Codex. The TasteSkill exposes 3 adjustable dials at the top of its settings file. Design variance controls layout experimentation from centered, clean looks to asymmetric, modern designs. Motion intensity governs animation depth from subtle hover effects to scroll-driven or magnetic motion. Visual density controls the amount of information per viewport, from spacious layouts to dense dashboards. If you prefer an ImageFirst approach, use the ImageCode skills pipeline. Just state in the prompt follow the skill, generate images, then analyze, then code. Attach or paste ImageGen front-end web, ImageGen front-end mobile, or BrandKit and ask for the frames you need. After the images are produced, feed them to Codex, Cursor, or Claude Code and use ImageCode to generate the site encode. All skills are framework agnostic. They target design intent instead of a specific API, so they work with React, Vue, Svelte, and other major frameworks. TasteSkill is released under the MIT license. Use it freely, sponsor the project if you find it helpful, and check the changelog for updates. The repository also hosts research that shaped the skills and a FAQ that answers common questions about its differences from other AI design skills, its compatibility with various frameworks, and how to install and use skill MD files.